Ta-da! It's a magic! Look at my Christmas tree. I did it. I just finished it. That was quick. I think I did it for 1 hour, putting these ornaments. It takes time. But I made it. Look at this, all my ornaments. Oh, may pakandol-kandol pa, oh, 'di ba? Ang bilis kong natapos. Iba talaga. Iba talaga ang Pinoy, no? Paspas. Diretsuhan na. Oh, 'di ba? May letter J yan for Josie. M for Max. Oh, S for Steve. S for Steve. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Maganda ba or hindi? Maganda naman siguro, oy. I really make time to do this, to finish this today. Because, it's 10 more days. And then, it's Christmas. But I made it. Look at that Christmas tree. I love these ornaments. I bought this before, and then I just keep on adding. Now the Christmas tree is really full. Love it. O, diba? Ang galing. O, isang araw lang. Pero kahapon ko yan pinatayo. Tapos, just finished today. Give love on Christmas Day, Christmas Day. Nice, love it, love it.